Hello there. Welcome back to another episode of the extracts from the Diary of a Man About Town. I'm gonna kill the music because I'm always getting copyrighted and I don't want to ruin the video. Welcome back, compadres. It's been a while. Yeah, a few things have happened. Started a new job which has taken up a lot of my time. Yeah, so anyway, to basics. So basically this was my birthday present to myself, a bit of an indulgence. I'm gonna carry it up because I can't get this tripod to do what I want to do, so we'll have to manage, but there we are. It is the Logitech G29, and for the purists out there, I know there are much better wheels, but this was rich enough for my blood, price-wise, so it will do. I bought it for the new Gran Turismo 7 game. I've been playing Gran Turismo since the beginning. I think I've owned every version of Gran Turismo. Not really played them a lot, but this one is special. I really like this one. When it comes to Gran Turismo, sorry, holding that knife very violently. When it comes to Gran Turismo, my godson James is the expert. But anyway, for some reason I got this just before my birthday, and I kept on saying, "Yep, gonna do an unboxing video," and for some reason I couldn't get around to it. But hey, it's Easter, a few extra days off, so here we are finally. The unboxing. Right, so let's have a look. Let's start this. I'm gonna get up and oh, it is a shame I can't get this tripod the way I want it, but actually let me see if I can improvise. I was a Boy Scout and that's what we do. Whoops, we improvise it. Let's see if never work with animals or dead. Right, I've got an empty box here. Let's see if we can improvise. So yep, that looks much better. Right, and away we go. So right, so let's get this unboxing underway. Like I said, this is the G29. I think the Xbox version is. I think the Xbox version is called something else. But I think wheel of choice at the moment is, I think it's a wheel called the Fanatec. I don't know how much they're going for. I'm going to assume they're much more expensive than these, but like I said, this would do me, and this retails in the market for £200. So yes, it was definitely an indulgence on my part, but it was my birthday present to myself, and as they say, you can't take it with you. Right, box open. This is always a tricky bit because it's a box within a box, so I'm gonna have to turn it upside down, I think. Yep, I'm definitely gonna turn it upside down, a bit easier. Right, and lift ever so slowly. Okay, so we'll get rid of that, and then we'll turn it round. And there you have it. I'm gonna have to lift again so you can see it properly. Logitech G29. As you can see, it's a wheel, but it also comes with pedals. You can also buy a gear stick stroke clutch, which I will do, because that's I say it's not expensive, but that's an additional £70, so I'll find an excuse to purchase that at some point. Right, so this should be very easy. It's just got stickers, so I'm just going to slide them down here and here. At the moment I drive, because Gran Turismo 7, for those who are not into computer games, is a driving simulation, and meant to be as realistic as possible. Having said that, in the PC world, they're probably more accurate sims than Gran Turismo 7. But for consoles, this is probably the best one. Having said that, even though it wasn't strictly sim, I really did enjoy Drive Club. Right, so what we got, so it's a Logitech, how do they describe it? Logitech 29, G29 driving force racing wheel. Literature, which we'll put away. And we've got the usual battery log, adapters, and all the things to connect it. This, I have no idea where this goes, but I'm sure I'll work it out. And that's the proper setup. Now, my wheel is actually going to go on the stool I'm sitting on for now. But I do plan to get something like that. What I would do is I will show you the one I'm planning to get. It's not this one, but it looks kind of cool. Right, so get that literature out of the way. Like I said, have no idea what this does. And I wonder if I think I can. Actually, shall we start with the pedals first? Let's see what's easier to bring out. Bloody hell. Sorry. It is heavy. Oh, gee. Okay, that's a good sign, because it means it's well built. Okay, this is kind of heavy. Right, okay, so what you've got here, for those who drive, and I'm ashamed to say I actually don't drive, but I do have a thing for electric scooters and electric bikes, but I digress. So, but I'm savvy enough to know that you've got brake, clutch and accelerator, so I'm assuming that is going to be the clutch. I'm not even going to say which one's the brake and clutch, but I don't know, want you guys to diss me in the comments. But that's the foot pad with the brake, clutch, accelerator. And I'm going to put that down carefully. And this box, I don't think that's got anything in. Manufacturer's warranty, always good. And the wheel itself, which is heavy. I can't repeat this enough, which is a good thing because it means it's well built. Right, I'm just going to get the plastic off. You got that brand new smell that everyone likes. And I'm going to try not to drop it. Alright, this feels well made. Right, there we go. So turning it around, and voila! My indulgence to myself, the Logitech GT29, probably I would say the best budget wheel, and that I use the word budget relatively because one man's budget is another man's fortune. So this bit goes into the PS4, that I know. We won't talk about PS5. I cannot find one for love or money. At one time I had the money to buy one, but I can't find one. And the problem is, this game, i.e. GT7, it kind of looks so good on the PS4. I'm even wondering if I need a PS5 unless they bring out an exclusive game. So if you can get another look at that. You will probably notice I'm not using my camera. I sold it. I won't bore you with the details, and I regret selling it because when I wanted to get it again, that camera's gone up by nearly £200. So towards the end of the year, I might be invested in a new camera. And there it is, the boxing. The purists might want to look at the box. I do. There you go. Right, so there we have it. Like I said, mine's going on a stall for now. But I'm going to quickly show you on Amazon the one that I am planning to get, the driving seat I'm planning to get. Right, so if we quickly go to Amazon, was it Amazon or eBay? Actually, I think it was eBay. Tell a lie, it was eBay. 2 secs. Oh, by the way, with regards to the channel, yes, yes, the channel still exists. And yes, I will continue to be making videos. I'm hoping to do a bit of a, see how it goes, a bit of a move into fashion, i.e. covering fashion shows, doing, well, see how it goes, on the street surveys, what people are wearing, what inspires their dress sense, things like that. I haven't totally worked it out yet. Where's eBay when you need it? I haven't totally worked it out yet, but that is the plan. Right, I am going to focus and find, why, hang on, talk about being prepared. eBay, oh, there you go, eBay. Let's see if I, hopefully it's going to be in the front page. No, okay. What should I put in? Help me, people. Okay, driving seat. Driving seat should do. I hope I can find it because it's actually driving seat. Oh, it's not called a driving seat, is it? It's not actually called a driving seat. Ah, I found it. Excellent. Right. I'll make that as big as I can. And right, so trusty iPad to the rescue. That's the seat I'm planning to get. Looks kind of cool with the fake leather looking driving seat. Yeah, so that's it. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Sorry it's been quite a while, but I do intend to make regular videos. I'm just going to do my quick community shout out. Shout out to Dash and his my good friend, and his lovely wife, my good friend Posh, on their 9th wedding anniversary. Congratulations to you both. Hope to see you soon. Shout out to NG, who is from Pretoria, South Africa, but at the moment she's in East London, South Africa, attending a wedding. Shout out to her. And shout out to Lady B for all your support. And oh, must mention Francis, who has always supported me with regards to anything tech related. My cousin Bolly, who's just a man. And Nick Wade, who is a fellow YouTuber and streamer. So, oh, by the way, I've got this new gadget that actually stops the video. And for the life of me, I actually don't know where I've put it. So I'm going to do that thing I always do, and people have seen it in my previous videos. I'm actually going to go towards the camera and switch it off. But hopefully next video I'll be more prepared. I am a little rusty with regards to this, but I did want to get this out of the way. One, I was tired of looking at the box, and two, for selfish reasons, I actually want to use the wheel, and being bank holiday, I should have some time to do it. So that's great. So I'm going to give the wheel a bit of a spin, and then I'll go back to playing FIFA because that's my go-to game. But I will be playing this on a daily basis. I wanted to do a Twitch unboxing, but I just thought, it's just too much setting up. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic Easter. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned, more videos on the way. And like I said, I'm going to do the pilgrimage to turn this off. Au revoir, compadres.